With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Statement 1. Time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum mounted in a cabin that is freely falling is 0. Statement 2. In the cabin falling freely under gravity, the pendulum is in state of weightlessness, and there are 4 options given. Okay, so first statement is time period of oscillation of simple pendulum mounted in a cabin that is freely falling is 0. No. In that case, time period will be infinite, because we know the formula for time period of simple pendulum is 2 pi under root L upon G. G is the effective acceleration. Okay, but in that case, when cabin is falling freely, so in that situation, effective value of acceleration, or you can say G, will be equals to 0. So if this is 0, then time period will be infinite. Time period will be infinite. Okay, and since all the objects are falling with same accelerations, then there will be no oscillation of the simple pendulum. Statement 2. In the cabin falling freely under gravity, the pendulum is in the state of weightlessness. Yes, this is true, because effective value of acceleration is 0, effective G is 0. So weight is equals to mg will be equals to 0. So it is the state of weightlessness. So statement 2 is true and statement 1 is false. This is correct option. I hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.